Ano yung pinapakita?
Actually, I told to Bell before the game about having the confidence to go to the war, go to the battle, and with these guys because with a complete lineup now, I think this is the first time that we're complete, we're all healthy. Because on the first 5 games, our import was injured. And then after that, all is in and out of the lineup. Then there's most of the players are may mga nararamdaman. We just try to mabalance lang yung sa practice and their injuries. But now I'm very confident that this is the first time. Sabi ko first time na at least makomplete kami with a healthy lineup. And let's give a try. Sabi ko sa kanila, let's give our best effort on this game, and then no matter what happens, sabi nga ni Ian, at least nabigay namin. And now, we have another chance. We need to prepare well on our last game. This is Meralco. We know that it's a war. It's a battle of the defense. It's a defensive battle for us. And we will try to see first, we will try to take over, and then let's see kung ano yung pwede natin bago sa game.
Paano kayo nakaka-quarterfinals? But sa sitwasyon nyo, parang porsanto kayo parang playoff mentality tayo agad eh. So paano nyo dinigin yung sitwasyon na yun?
Siguro kailangan lang namin maging positive din. Kailangan lang namin maniwala sa isa't isa kasi nandito na to eh. Ito na yung sitwasyon namin. So, kailangan every game na lalaroin namin na positive lang kami. Kasi kung iisipin lang namin kung lahat ang nangyari, po kami. So, wala talagang mangyayari sa amin. So, ngayon may chance kami, nanalo kami. So, ngayon, focus kami sa next game namin. At least kung manalo kami dito, meron pa rin kami chance. So, ayun lang, maging positive lang kami, maniwala kami sa isa't isa. Kahit anong mangyayari, at least sa dulo okay na.